Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the HTML tutorial. In this series of videos we're gonna learn from all the way basics about HTML to the advanced concept. So first of all, now talk about what is HTML. So HTML is a markup language and it stands for hypertext markup language, and the HTML consists of series of tags or elements. So the elements are the building block of one HTML document, and the HTML describes the structure of one web page. So HTML is all about the structure of the web page, where the CSS is all about the style or the look of the web page, and where the JS or JavaScript is all about the functionality of the web page. So if we just combine these three, then we can create great web application. So now let's talk about HTML element. So the HTML elements are consist of the opening tag and the closing tag, and in between opening and closing tag we have the content. Like an example, we have the opening h1 tag and the closing h1 tag, and in between the opening and closing tag we have the heading. Similarly also we can have the opening paragraph tag and closing paragraph tag, and in between we have the paragraph. So let's now talk about the HTML page structure. So the HTML has the root HTML element, and inside the root element we have all other elements. Like we can have the head element or the body element. The head element contains the meta information about the web page, like the title tag. So whatever the title we put inside the opening and closing title tag will be shown in the title bar of the web page. Next we have the body tag. So the body tag defines the document's body, and it is a container for all the visible content of the web page, like the heading or the paragraph or all the links or the tables, list or images, everything contained inside the body tag. So let's now take a look at one simple HTML document. So the HTML document started with the doc type HTML declaration, and that defines that this is one HTML5 document. And after that we have the root HTML tag. So everything in HTML must be in between the root HTML tag, and inside the HTML tag we can have the head tag and the body tag. The head tag contains the meta information about the page. So the head tag can contain the title tag. So whatever the title we put inside the title tag will be shown in the title bar of the web page. And then we have the body tag. So the body tag contains all the visible part of the web page, like the heading or the paragraph or any other visible content. So hope you learn about what is HTML and the basic structure of one HTML document. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.